Functional safety lifecycle. The functional safety lifecycle is a systematic process used to ensure that the safety system, such as safety instrumented system SIS, are designed, implemented, and maintained to achieve the required level of safety. The functional safety lifecycle can be divided into three phases. These phases are analysis phase, implementation phase, and operation phase. Key stages of functional safety lifecycle. The functional safety lifecycle is divided into several key stages. The first stage is concept phase. In this stage, we identify the need for safety functions and defining the safety requirement. Stage 2 is hazard and risk analysis. In this stage, we assess the potential hazard and risk to determine the necessary safety integrity level (SEAL) for each safety function. Stage 3 is safety requirement specification (SRS). In this stage, we define the specific safety requirement for the system, including performance and reliability criteria. Stage 4 is design and engineering. In this stage, we develop the detailed design of the safety system to meet the defined safety requirement, which is defined in previous stage, creating SRS. Stage 5 is installation, commissioning, and validation. In this stage, we install and test the safety system to ensure that it meets the design specification and safety requirement. Basically, by this time, we have already installed and commissioned the safety system and is ready for operation. We have a stage 6 also, which is design and development of the other means of risk reduction. And this is not exactly part of functional safety. This is includes other mechanisms to reduce risk, which does not use any SIS system. It means that it doesn't use instrumented system to reduce the risk. The other stage is operation and maintenance. In this stage, we operate and maintain the safety system to ensure that it continues to perform as required throughout its life cycle. Stage 8 is modification. In this stage, we manage changes to the safety system during operation of the safety system. Typically, this is done through MOC process. Stage 9 is decommissioning. This stage is when we decommission system, and it is used when there is no need for safety system. For example, when we decommission the plant itself. And the next question is that what is the relationship between different stages of functional safety and different phases of functional safety? Basically, as we mentioned, there are three phases of functional safety: analysis, implementation, and operation. In each of these phases, we have different key stages. The analysis phase include concept phase, hazard and risk analysis, and preparing safety requirement specification. So basically, in this analysis phase, we identify the hazard, and then we create a high-level document SRS, which define these SIF loops and the requirement for each SIF loop. The next phase of functional safety is implementation phase. Basically, in this stage, we detail design the safety instrumented system and test and commission this one. This includes key stages of design and engineering, which is basically the detail design phase. The other key phase is installation, commission, and validation phase, which basically we install and commission the system. And the sixth key stage is design and development of other means of risk reduction. We get use of other means of reducing the risk, which is not directly related to SIS system. And the next phase is operation phase. Basically, in this stage, we are operating the SIS system. The system is up and running. This includes the key stage of operation and maintenance, which is basically in this stage we use the safety system. Typically, this is used This key stage is during operation of the plants for many years. Uh, the, the key stage of modification is when we need to change a safety system for any operational reasons. We use MOC process to do that. And also decommissioning phase is part of this phase, the operation phase, when we don't use the SIS system and we decommission the system. The information in this video is only for information, and provider of this video does not take any responsibility for the functional safety design, implementation, operation, and any consequence due to non properly designing the system.